Hello everyone, Sanbonani.
The rift between suspended public protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane and acting public protector Galega has widened after the latter told Mkhwebane that she shall not report for duty following a decision by the Western Cape High Court that the suspension was indeed invalid. Galega wasted no time and informed Busisiwe that she should not come to the office. Galega was allegedly responding to WhatsApp messages from Busisiwe in which she requested access to the offices of the public protector. In a letter addressed to Mkhwebane on Friday, the acting public protector said the Office of the Public Protector had received legal advice that an appeal against the Western Cape judgment had been filed at Constitutional Court on Friday evening, effectively suspending the court order. Galega wrote, accordingly, the advice received is the High Court order is not presently operative and your suspension from the opposition of public protector remains effective. Mkhwebane's lawyer, Thea Sinago, confirmed that they had received a letter from Galega, but he didn't indicate what their next move would be. The DA on Friday filed a notice for leave to appeal the judgment. President Ramaphosa in June suspended Mkhwebane effective immediately. He said at the time that his reason was that there was a Section 194 process in the National Assembly to investigate Mkhwebane's fitness to hold office. Ramaphosa said, our reaction has already been made to the public that we are going to get guidance from the Constitutional Court because any action by the President which is deemed invalid has to be adjourned upon by the Constitutional Court. I can work with any public protector. It's never really difficult because everything we do is guided by laws and provisions of our Constitution. Do you think Mr. Palapala will succeed on this one? Share your views. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.